Hi everyone, my name is Courtney Button,
And I'm Lisa Button.
and we are coming to you from the kitchen at Sycamore Creek Family Ranch in Branson, Missouri.
Today we're going to share a recipe with you for infused water. Water's so healthy for you for hydration, but when you can infuse some other ingredients into it, it adds a lot more health benefits. So today we're going to be making strawberry, basil, and lemon infused water. Super simple. You're going to start with a lemon, and you're going to zest the lemon, and then we're going to place it in the jug where the water's going to go. And it's just going to be zesting the entire lemon.
These flavors, I think of summertime. They go together
Yes.
just so well for the summer months. Refreshing. You've got the strawberry and the fruity flavor. It'll be really good. And make sure you get all the zest off the back of your zester.
So once we've done that, we're going to cut the lemon. Do you want to cut the lemon and then we're going to get the
Into
juicer?
half?
Yes, cut it in half, and we're going to juice half the lemon into the jug, and then we're going to slice the remaining half and put the slices in the jug.
This is what all my favorite Food Network stars do, so I'm gonna do it too.
So we're going to squeeze 1/2 of the lemon into the jug. So we've got it in our handy dandy juicer. It's going to catch our seeds and just let the juice go into the jug. And then Courtney, do you want to slice the other half, and we'll just put the slices in the jug also.
Oh, okay.
While she's doing that, I'm going to grab a paring knife, and I'm going to talk to you about how to hull a strawberry, because we're going to have these and put these into the water, but you don't want that core that's inside the strawberry to go in the water. You just want the good juicy fruit going in there. So to hull a strawberry, you're going to take your paring knife and you're going to stick it in to the top right by the stem, where the stem goes in and this top is. You're going to kind of put it in at an angle, so you're going to cut a cone into the strawberry, and then you're going to turn the strawberry. Don't turn your knife, turn your strawberry to get that cone out, and there you go, voila, it just pops right out. And see the little hole in there? You've gotten the hole out of it with that. So then we're going to cut that in half, throw it in the jug, and we're going to do 10 strawberries in the water. Now that we have the strawberries and the lemon in the jug here, we're going to add basil. So you're going to add 5 leaves of basil, and you're just going to toss them in. Actually, maybe we'll rub them a little bit to release some of the flavor, kind of crushing them a little, and then we'll throw them in. And what we're going to do then is add 5 cups of water and put it in the fridge for 2 hours to let all the flavors permeate the water, and then it's ready to go. We have a lot of weddings here at Sycamore Creek, and some of those weddings are on very hot days in the summer. And we always encourage our brides to have water available when their guests arrive so that they can stay hydrated. We have an outdoor ceremony venue out at our sycamore tree, and we have an outdoor ceremony venue here at Shiloh. And so it's really important for people to have water on hot days. So instead of doing bottled water, this would be an idea to make it a recipe like this and put it in a nice decanter that's glass, and then you've got the fruit floating around, and it's going to taste nice, and it's just more of an elevated version of water that you're offering your guests. So this is great for events, also great just at home with your family.